very good afternoon. Hi Sheena, hi Kushi, hello. Hope you're doing well. Hi Tanzi. Hi Yubika, hi Bhumika, hello. Hi Sumi, hi everyone. So a very good afternoon, and today's live is all about showcasing the jewelries, like especially the bangles, chokers, ring, and earrings, and we have some new items as well, which are just new in stock, and we are going to launch today. So we start showing you all the jewelries one by one. Hi Fazia, hi Tiara, how are you? Hope you're doing well. Okay, so we deal online and we are Kolkata based since 8 years. Okay, so let's start with the very first one, and it's very cute and pretty, and it's maintaining those aesthetic as well. So this is the earring. Let's see the details first. Okay, this is a star drop earring in Swarovski stones, and this is 14 karat gold with 58.5% purity. So let's just zoom in the details and all so that you all can see this more clearly. As you all can see, this is a drop and this is a star. Also, this has Chennai screw. I'm going to show you the Chennai screw as well. This is a Chennai screw, and this is how the earring looks like. It is so beautiful. See the side view and the front and back as well. It's very pretty. I'm going to show you how this looks like. So this is how it looks like for those who are looking for a minimal jewelry, minimal earring, but yet classy and aesthetic and cute. So this is the perfect choice, and this is brand new one. So we are just about to launch, and live में आपको दिखाना था, so why not? This is how the earring looks like, and this is 14 karat star shaped jhumka earring with Swarovski stone and Chennai screw. This comes with the BIS hallmark, and the price for this is only 20,000. Take a screenshot if you're interested to buy this. As this is our customer order, we're going to dispatch today. This was a customized order. Maybe I'm showing you. So this is how the earring looks like, and yeah, take a screenshot if you want to purchase this, and WhatsApp us on our WhatsApp number that I've posted down as a pinned comment, which is 8100146770, or you can straight away DM us through our Instagram page. If you have any queries or if you're facing any queries, you might straight away ask on the DM or the number that I've posted down. Okay. Next, I'm going to show you this very pretty and gorgeous. It's a Hiramandi inspired necklace, and again, this is our customer's order, and this is a set basically. So let's first I'm going to show you this royal necklace. Okay, this is 14 karat royal necklace and earrings. So this is a set basically, which comes with the earring. This is how the earring looks like. It's a very pretty light sage green beads and mauve color. So the beads are the sage green beads and mauve. This is 14 karat gold with 58.5% purity, royal necklace and earring set. So as you all can see, the details of this necklace, so pretty. It's so, this is very mesmerizing, as it has all those details of polki and beads and stone as well. As you all can see, the details of this pendant over here. It has this mauve beads and sage green beads, and this comes with the dolly, so all can see. So this is the necklace and the earrings. With the same customization, we have this earring, and it's way pretty. It's like a Chand Bali earring. So you all can see this. This is how the earring looks like. And I'm pretty sure people gonna like the earrings more. Why? Because it's very pretty, it's very cute, and the colors are so gorgeous that this pairs up with any outfit. And it's very pastel color as well. So for those who are looking for the pastel necklace or a set or any earring sort of, so they can buy this. So this is a whole set which comes with the earring, and price for this set is only 40,000. So take a screenshot if you want to purchase this set. The set is only 40,000, which comes with the earrings. This is how the necklace looks like. Next is this men's bracelet, which is again the brand new, and we have limited stock in this, but yeah, goods. जब से ये post किया, we are getting a lot of orders for this as Father's Day is approaching, which is near 16th June, yeah, if I'm not wrong. So yeah, let's talk about this men's bracelet, specially designed for the men and for those daily wear as well. So yeah, let me just talk about the details first, then the price. So this is a 22 karat gold foiling with wax filled bracelet, and this comes with the certificate as well, with 60% off exchange, which is valid for lifetime. So this is how the men's bracelet looks like. For those who are looking for a bracelet, especially for the Father's Day, or somebody wants to give this to your husband or brother or boyfriend, so these are the perfect one, which comes with this hook. And yeah, this comes with the certificate as well. Weight for this bracelet is only 1.76 grams, and price for this is only 12,500. So this is 8 inches, and this is perfect size for like daily wear or any special occasion. आप भी किसी के साथ भी पहन सकते हो, no matter what circumstance. So this is the perfect choice to make. And yeah, take a screenshot if you want to book this. 12,500, and the size is 8 inches. Weight is only 1.76 grams, which comes with the certificate. Alright, so take a screenshot if you haven't. Okay. Next is this very pretty ring, which is again back in stock because people are loving this ring a lot. This one right here. This is a 14 karat gold with pink and green stone, and I'm going to show you the ring. This is how the ring looks like in leaf pattern, and the size for this is 17 size, which is available now. So if you want to book this, hurry up and order yours. 17 inch size, and this is 14 karat gold with pink and green stone. Hence price for this is only 5,000. Take a screenshot if you want to order this. This is only the last piece in this size. 5,000 only. Okay. Now next I'm going to show you this very pretty black stud. Sure, I'm definitely gonna tell you the price of this green choker that I'm wearing, but let's first with this stud. Later I'm gonna tell you the price. तब तक ले आप ये स्टड देख लो. This is a very pretty one. So yeah, this one right here. Hope you all can see it very clearly, right? So this is 14 karat gold with black stone stud, and this comes with the Bombay screw. So let's see the details of the stud. This is how the stud looks like, and this comes with the Bombay screw. So This is very pretty and yet classy. For those who are who love the color of black, or for those who wants to go with the black stone earring, and this is the perfect choice to make. And price for this is only 15,500, which has Bombay screw. So you can see this Bombay screw. 15,500 for this stud. So take a screenshot if you want to purchase this. Next we have this very similar, yet it's very cute as well. This one right here. This was very similar, only the the Swarovski is here. That was a black stone, this one is Swarovski. And as all you can see, this is also 14 karat gold with Swarovski stones. And this is a stud with Chennai screw. As all you can see, this is Chennai screw. For those who always want to go with the Chennai screw, this is ready in stock. And yeah, very brand new. So I'm going to show you how this looks like. This is how the stud looks like. It's very pretty and yet mesmerizing. This is 14 karat gold with Swarovski stud, and this is perfect for daily wear. So take a screenshot if you want to purchase this. And price for this earring is only 14,000. Take a screenshot if you want to purchase this stud and send this on our Instagram page or the number that I've posted down. Definitely just send me the screenshot of your any item that you like, but wait till the live because we have more such products that I'm going to show you, and I'm pretty sure you're going to like those as well. So this is only 14,000, 14 karat Swarovski stud with Chennai screw. Next we have this very pretty ring, and the color of this ring is so good. Like, you see the colors of this beads and stones. This is definitely emerald green beads. Like, who doesn't know the emerald green beads? This is a very pretty color. And yeah, this is a ring, and as you can see, this has adjustable size, so you do not have to worry about the size. This is adjustable, so आप ये आराम से बेहिचक पहन सकते हो. So I can wear this on any of my fingers, but I especially prefer this ring finger. So yeah, this is 14 karat adjustable ring with emerald green stone and beads, and price for this is only 11,500. This is how the back looks like. So take a screenshot if you want to purchase this ring, and this also has polki stone as well. This is how the ring looks like. Take a screenshot if you want to purchase this ring. Now next we have this. This is another ring special because customers were asking for the ring and all, so we thought why not to show. Okay, so this is a V-shaped ring, and yeah, this is how it looks like. This is also 14 karat gold with 58.5% purity, and this is in V-shaped pattern ring, and the size that I'm wearing is 15. 14 karat gold with BIS hallmark, and this has Swarovski stones. The size I'm wearing is 15, so if this is your size, then you should definitely book this because this is the last stock that we have now. The new stock will again definitely will rise in price, so it's better to choose this. And price for this is only 6,500. So take a screenshot if you want to purchase this ring and make this yours. 6,500 is the price. Now this one again, it's very very pretty, and for those who are looking for daily wear ring or formal rings or whatever, this is the one with Swarovski stone again, and it has 14 karat gold again, and this comes with BIS hallmark, which is pretty sure. And yeah, alright, so the size that I'm wearing is 15, and this has Swarovski stone. So I'm just gonna show you the details of this. This is how this ring looks like, and it's yet pretty from all round corners. Like आप ये कहीं भी पहन सकते हो, कहीं भी पहन सकते हो. It's very pretty, and the size that I'm wearing is again 15, one size, and price for this ring is only 11,500. So take a screenshot if you want to purchase this ring, because again we have this in last stock. So जो new stock रहेगा उसका price definitely will rise up. So all the jewelries I'm showing you, that all of those has BIS hallmark. So even this ring that I'm wearing also has a BIS hallmark. So this is how the earring looks like. Take a screenshot if you want to purchase this. Okay, next move ahead with the bangles that I have, and those are very pretty bangles, and also I'm wearing two. So we have this in 3 range of colors, one in green, second in red, and third in white and red. So at first I'm going to show you with the green colors, which actually I'm wearing it. So, and the size I'm wearing this is 2.6. So this is green bangles. I mean, not just green bangles, this is 22 karat gold foiling bangles, and the color that I'm wearing is in green. And this has the elements, you all can see this, the elements, that is the swastika and all. These are the elements on the bangles. It's very pretty, right? So you all can see this from all round corners, and this size is 2.6. So yeah, you will be shocked by the price of those who knows and those who doesn't. The price for this bangle is, for one pair, is 2,100. So take a screenshot if you want to purchase this bangle. 2,100. We have similar design with the different colors and the concept. This one in white and red. Price is same again, 2,100. This is also 22 karat gold foiling bangles in white and red pattern colors, and the size that I have this is 2.4. So whatever you have size, like 2.4, 2.6, 2.8, ready हो जाएगा, no problem. Just DM us on our Instagram page or the number that I have posted down right below on the pinned comment. So this is also, the price has same, 2,100. And the third one, which has similar elements on the first one, swastika, and this one. This is in red, and the size is 2.4. But again, the price for this is only 2,100. So अभी तक आपको मैंने जितने भी बैंगल्स दिखाए, price for all of these are 2,100 for one pair. Take a screenshot if you want to purchase this or among any of this. Alright, so I think one of them were asking for the green choker that I'm wearing. Definitely I'm going to tell you the price and all the details. So this choker has this pretty emerald green piece and covered with the 14 karat gold, with a very pretty and sweetheart color with red color, as you all can see this one. And it's cornered with the polki stone as well. So I'm just going to show you the details of the choker. Just in case if you want to purchase this choker. So yeah, these are the details. As I said, this has this very pretty beads, and stones are in red color, red stones with polki stone as well. This is how the green color looks like. This is 14 karat green choker with red stone, and price for this is only 6,000. So take a screenshot if you want to purchase this choker, as this is ready to dispatch. If you want delivery within 2 or 3 days, then you should definitely order this now only after the live ending. So yeah, आपको ये 2-3 days में delivery मिल जाएंगी. And this is how the choker looks like. Hope you all can see clearly. Yeah, 6,000 for the choker. Now next we have this very pretty earring which has swirls on it. So by swirls I meant this swirls. So this is 14 karat gold earring, the swirl pattern, and it has lilac beads, which is definitely matching with my kurti and my nails. So I'm just gonna show you how this earring looks like. So this is how the earring looks like, my left side, and yeah, so definitely matching with my kurta and my nails. It all is lilac, so it's very pretty and yet amazing. I'm just gonna show you from all sides. And this is the perfect one for like get together or any grand occasion. आप ये कोई भी कुर्ता के साथ इसको pair up कर सकते हो, or with any sarees, even on lehengas as well. So this is how the earring looks like, and I'm pretty sure the people who love a very pastel color or light colors, these are for them. This 14 karat swirl earring which has lilac beads, and price for this is 21,500. So take a screenshot if you want to purchase this earring. Now next we have this 14 karat pendant, which comes with cream pearl beads. You all can see this pendant. This is 14 karat pendant with pearl beads, and it has pink stone and emerald green beads as well, covered with the polki stone. This is how the front looks like, and the back. So it has two sides corners. कोई भी आप chain के साथ या beads के साथ लगा सकते हो, but also this comes with pearl beads. That is proper pearl beads का जो chain होता है, this comes with that. So price for this pendant with pearl beads is only 6,500. So take a screenshot if you want to purchase this pendant piece. I mean the whole which comes with the pearl beads. 6,500. Now next we have this, which is again it's very new and trendy. This one, which is hair cum pendant. So this is 14 karat gold with polki stone, and it has emerald green beads and stone with the drop of stone, covered with the polki stone. So this is how the front looks like, and the back. As I told, this is hair cum pendant piece. So yeah, this has two benefits. So take a screenshot if you want to purchase this, or if you want more details on this, like weight, etc, etc. And price for this pendant, hair cum pendant, is only 20,500. Take a screenshot if you want to purchase this hair cum pendant piece. Now the last piece that we have got, this is very pretty set, and it's very affordable as well for those who are looking for a pendant and earring. So I'm going to show you how this earring looks like and the pendant first. So this is the pendant and the earring, which is in deep blue color. So let's start with the pendant at first, then I'm going to show you the earring. So this is the pendant, which has this blue color, stones and beads, and with a drop of pearls on it. This is how the front looks like, and the back. So I'm going to show you the pendant. Now next we have this earring, which is again the set only, वो इसके साथ ही था. I've showed you the pendant. Now let's see the earrings. This is how the earring looks like, which comes with blue beads and white polka stone as well. Also this has this Bombay screw, and I'm just going to show you how the earring looks like. So this is how the earring looks like, which has Bombay screw on it. So yeah. So take a screenshot of this earring and the pendant if you want to book this. This price for this set is only 11,500. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. That jewelry that we have showed you. Some of them were new, some of them were last piece and limited stock. So I know, I'm very sure that the one that I've showed you इसकी last piece अभी अगर है तो इसकी new stock भी आ जाएंगे within like 5 to 10 days. But yeah, for the next live definitely we're gonna update you through our stories. Also there will be a special announcement very soon, and it's a huge thing for us. So just I'll definitely update you through our stories and post, and maybe next live में मैं वो announce करूँ finally. So yeah. And if you have any questions or such like, you may ask on the live if you are facing any queries such that. Now this is why we do live, just to show you all that yeah, this is how we exist, and this is what how Joy means by the jewelries. Okay, so have a nice day ahead, and for the next live we'll definitely update you. Till then, have a nice day ahead.